Babe, unang-una, salamat sa lahat. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo dahil sa kahit anong pagsubok na dumating sa ating problema, sa ating relasyon, hindi mo ako sinukuan at iniwanan.
Babe, as I stand here today surrounded by our closest friends and family, I want to reflect our journey together. We've been LDR for almost 10 years. 5 years straight apart from each other.
Akala ko, ikay lang. Huh?
I'm in focus. I'm in awe, forming in thought, light in the eye of the cosmic. I am awakening.
Ang regalong ito ay simbolo ng lahat ng oras na ilalaan ko para sa iyo. Ikaw ang palaging pipiliin ko habang nabubuhay ako. I love you.
JR, do you take Sharina, whom you now hold by the right hand, to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do. I do.
Sharina, do you take JR, whom you now hold by your right hand, to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
I am in focus. I am in awe, forming in thought, light in the eye of the cosmic. I am awakening
for not giving up on me. Thank you for pursuing me and respecting me. Thank you for loving me and my family as well. We always choose each other even in difficult times.
Everyone wants to get married, but not everybody is able to marry a man or a woman. Pero it is an option for us. Hindi mawawala ang pagkakristyano mo kung hindi ka mag-asawa. Pero, option mo, option na binigay ng Lord na ikaw ay mag-asawa dahil yun ang desire mo.
While writing this letter, napaisip ako paano natin kinaya. Yes, it is possible but it's not easy. 10 years was super challenging. Dumaan tayo sa maraming pagsubok. There's some trials that's harder to the point that we almost give up. I just want you to know how much I appreciate you. I know how much you sacrifice a lot. Between us, I can say na malaking parte ka kung bakit tayo nanatili.
Kahit na saan ka man naroroon, lagi mong tatandaan na ang itinanim sa inyo, sa inyong lahat magkakapatid, na ang Lord ang uunahin natin bago na yung lahat.
Yung faith mo kay God, huwag mawawala. Kaya kung ano man yung mga itinanim namin sa iyo, ang word ng Lord.
Alam kong hindi madali ang ating haharapin sa panibagong kabanata ng ating buhay.
As I look back, I'm just in awe of how good our God is to us, that we survived every trials we encountered in the past. And I'm pretty sure that we will survive whatever is next. Finally, we will be able to celebrate our birthdays together. Yeah, we can now travel together and spend more time doing whatever we want na magkasama. So today, I vow to love you unconditionally and wholeheartedly, even when you are unlovable. This time, I promise to put you first apart from God, to invest more time and attention kasi before ikaw lagi ang gumagawa nun.
Inay, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal mo sa amin. Kayo na po ang tumayong bilang ama at ina namin. Sa matagal na panahon na wala ang tatay, kahit sa madalas na tayo lagi nag-aaway, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Pinapangako ko na kasama mo ako nandito, makikinig, makikipag-usap at maghahanap ng solusyon, magtitiwala at naninindigan.
And lastly, I promise to depend on God when things are getting rough because I know for sure that He can handle us perfectly.
Araw-araw kitang mamahalin at mas lalo kitang mamahalin habang buhay.
Babe, you are the person I choose to spend forever with. I chose you in 2014, I choose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever. I love you.